An organization's business model canvas can be represented in 9 basic building blocks: the customer segment, the value proposition, channels to reach customers, customers' relationship that is established, revenue streams generated, the key resources and key activities required to create value, key partnership, and the core structure of a business model. However, it is not sufficient to just generate this nice structure by itself. What we want is to map them out in a pre-structured canvas as shown. This is what we call the business model canvas, a tool that helps you to create, map, or design a new business model.
Hi, my name is PUVIIN VARMAN and I'm the project designer for this project. Let me walk through how this device works. First of all, we put in our plate here and it goes down the conveyor rack by this water containment. It washes the plates and then the plates are collected in the basket. We also have an app to tell the attendant when to collect the plates. So there is actually a sensor under the spring which tells us when it's ready to collect. We have a containment for the forks and spoon, and there's also a place to collect the cups. So and the attendants can reach all these things through this door. So this is how they can collect the spoon and fork, the plates and the cups.
Now, let us show you how we implement the BMC into our ETP project.
My name is ZANI and I will discuss about the customer segment for the business model canvas.
Before I discuss about the customer segments, what is customer segment? Customer segment actually can define as who are our customers and who can get the benefits from our products. For the customer segment, there are 3 people who are benefit direct from our products, which are cafeterians, canteen operators, and restaurant owner. From this, we choose them as our customers because our product can reduce in terms of their wallets and save their time in business. So our customers can earn their profits by apply our products in their business.
Hi, I'm NURAZIANI Shamin and I will be explaining on the value proposition and externality. Value proposition are what a product or service is provided to a customer. The value proposition of our project are reduced workload, less time consuming, free installation and services, proper waste disposal, and reduce the usage of polystyrene and plastics. Under value proposition, there are externalities. Externalities is how the product impact the environment and society. The externalities of our product are improve the cleanliness of a compound, to instill more civic-minded society, and a greener environment.
Then I would explain the channel for the business model canvas.
The channel we promote our company product to customers are through the social media. We have promote our product in Facebook custom audience, blogs, Instagram, and also in YouTube channel. We choose these channels to promote our product because these are the platforms which are majority occupied by generation today. So our customer or buyer can see more informations and features of our product at any times through online. Buyers can come to us or contact us through internet or phone number. Next, the articles. We promote our product by distribute the articles around the market area. This allowed the interested people contact us through information from the articles.
My name is Hao and I'll be talking about customer relation and revenue streams.
For customer relations, there will be 2 major points. The first one will be how can we get, keep and grow customer base. Our answer to that is to advertise via social media, local radio and TV stations. We also intend to do seasonal promotions and hand out vouchers. This can help us build our brand in the community. Next point is how will we meet the current and emerging needs of customers. Our idea is that setting up a hotline to answer any issues or feedback the customer has. This can ensure our service quality and build customers' confidence. We can also mail survey forms to the current customers' homes and keep track whether they are satisfied with the product. Next, I'll be talking about revenue stream. For the revenue model, asset sale is chosen because the product is not as pricey and should be fine for users to fully pay on the spot. This can ensure the company can always have enough cash flow. The price will be set around 200 to 250 ringgit. The value of the impact and values which the product present to the user is that the product is user-friendly, durable, and low maintenance. This can reassure the customer to use our product because it is affordable and possesses many benefits.
Hi everyone, my name is AJIT and I'll be presenting on the key resources of the business model canvas.
Key resources are the main inputs that our organization will need to create value proposition, service its customer segments, and deliver the products to the customer. So key resources are split into four different categories. Firstly is physical, second is financial, third is intellectual, and lastly it's human. For physical, which means that whatever physical items or equipment we might need to deliver this product. For example, the manufacturing equipment, a facility, inventory warehouse, and also distribution networks. Some of the physical equipment we might need for this building of the product is power supply, RFID sensors, water pipes, conveyor belt, and etc. The next type of key resources is financial. Financial key resources are very important because for every product to be built, you would need monetary funding so that you can raise funds. So the method you can raise is through investors to generate startup capital, lines of credit from an investor or banks, or lastly self-financing. The third key resource we will need is intellectual, such as meaning to apply or secure a patent for design. This means that all the intellectual data we have, such as customer knowledge, acquiring customer knowledge, and interpreting customer knowledge, is come to help make the product a better product and to market it better. The last one is the human category. Human category are mainly employees training to improve productivity and quality. Because with more skilled workers, we can produce more better quality products and finishing. The HR department of the organization is also very important because they have to hire the right talent to increase skilled workers' talent and finally increasing productivity.
Hello, my name is CHANDRESHAH and I'll be explaining on the key activities for our business model canvas. Key activities are important tasks that fulfill the business purposes. It could be in the form of product or services or a combination of both. The key activities for our product are divided into three. The first is to remove the food waste from the plate. The second would be to wash and rinse the plate. And finally, the third is to provide an incentive to the user which will encourage them to clean up after eating. Now let's move on to the key partnerships. A partnership is when two commercial entities form an alliance. Partnerships can be in the form of four different ways, which the first is strategic alliance, the second is buyer-supplier relationship, third is joint venture, and fourth is competition. For our BMC, the key partners are restaurant customers who will be using the product. The next would be the canteen operators who will be having the product in their canteens. And the third is restaurants. Fourth will be cleaning services, which will help to make the task much easier. Fifth is university management. And the sixth is the suppliers and manufacturers for our product.
Hi, now I'll be presenting on the cost structure for the Penny Per Plate product.
Cost structure will define all costs and expenses our organization will incur while operating our business model for Penny Per Plate. This is important as it will help our team to decide whether to proceed or make changes to make it a more sustainable model. This is a cost-driven business structure, which means that we will be focusing on minimizing all costs to reduce the price of the product. Now, the outer section of our product will be covered in tin plate. However, this is actually the most expensive material for our product at 30 ringgit per plate. An alternative is to change the tin plate to plexiglass, which is cheaper at 20 ringgit. For our product and our organization, we will be practicing scale economics, where we expect the cost to go down as more penny per plates are produced and sold. The expenses of the product are as shown. The cost to build this product costs about 200 ringgit. We plan to sell it at about 350 ringgit, which will leave us with a margin of 150 ringgit. Out of that, we will use 50 ringgit from that to pay the salaries and manufacturing costs, which will finally leave us with a profit of 100 ringgit. Thank you.